Hello students, I am Snehal from KLE Society's BCA College Nipani. So in the previous session we started with the acceptance testing and we covered with one type of the acceptance testing, that is nothing but the user acceptance testing. So now we are going to move with the next type of the acceptance testing. So the content which we are going to discuss in this session is nothing but the business acceptance testing. So now let's see what is the business acceptance testing. So the business acceptance testing. Now this is there to access whether the product meets the business goal and the purpose or not. So when the business goals are going to be set, the business goals are going to be set when they are going to started the collecting the requirements from the customer. So when an organization is going to start it to collect the requirements from the customer, at that time basically an organization is also there according to that, according to the customer's requirement they are going to state their own requirements also. See, when we have learned with the V and V model, okay, verification and the validation model. Now this verification and the validation model is basically focusing on the system requirements, that is nothing but the customers requirements and the business requirement. So the business requirements are those requirements that has been get stated by an organization and they are going to state over within that as nothing but whether that product is profitable or not for that particular organization or not, whether that particular product or application is performing well or not, whether the quality of that product is good or not. It should be get evaluated when we are going to consider the business requirement. So business acceptance testing is mainly focuses on the business benefits, that is nothing but the financial conditions which will be get considered to evaluate such a type of a system. Now the such a type of systems which are quite challenging to do the changing market conditions. See, as we are present in the today's era, we are going to know that each and every day, or rather we can say that for each and every minutes or for the fraction of seconds, we can say that the market conditions are changing. As we are consider the share market, what will be get happen within a fraction of seconds, the market conditions are changing over there. So here a business acceptance testing is there where they are going to focuses on the business benefits in a financial way, in a financial condition, so which are quite challenging to do the changing market condition. Why? Because at it is the different type of example, but when you are going to consider it with your IT type of example, see that for each and every day, for each and every coming era, we can say that the advanced technologies are coming. So as soon as when we are considering that the advanced technologies are coming, these advanced technologies, with the help of that an organization is trying to build that particular software application. So when an organization is trying to develop or build a particular software application with the help of them, then what we needed to consider over there, we are going to consider that whether that particular application is matching the current advanced technology or not, whether it should be get work appropriately with the current technologies or not. And when an organization is also trying to implement that advanced technologies in advanced technologies, then what will be get happen, the first time that organization is need to provide a training to the persons who are going to work on it, which means that something cost investment and resources will be get considered over there. So according to that the cost investment factor will be get considered. So what the organization is going to consider, a business benefits they are going to consider, so that the current implementation may have to undergo the changes which result in an extra budget. Yes, definitely, and always we are going to say that. Why? Because when an application is trying to be developed with the advanced need or with the advanced technologies, always an extra budget with that particular application is going to be increased. Now why this will be get happen? Because the cost investment which will be get considered is a high. Why? Because they are going to require the resources which is of high cost. Also, the manpower required to implement such a type of a technologies are a very good knowledge with respect to that particular technology. And if the persons who are working with that within that application and they are not having the such a type of a knowledge, then an organization is there who is responsible to provide the training to them to how to work on that changing technology. So that is actually the business acceptance testing. So what the business acceptance testing is there, it is there to assess whether the product meets the business goals and the purpose or not. So that is the business acceptance testing. Again, the business acceptance testing mainly focuses on the business benefits. Business benefits means what? A financial condition. Why? Because it is totally depend on the market. Why? Because each and every time we can say that the customers requirements are changing. So how the customers requirements are changing, we know that it is an habit to an it is an habit of an human being, that at each and every time they are changing their requirements. Why? Because their minds are changing, they are seeing the different types of applications which they are using. So according to that they are going to specify their own requirement, okay, for that particular application development. So according to that we can say that the requirements are also going to be changed. Now see, when the requirements are going to be changed, we need to consider that whatever may be the technologies they have to implement, it is a challenging. Why? Because the market conditions are changing, advancing technologies are changing. So it is a quite challenging for that particular or respective organization as and when they want to implement the advanced technologies, so that the current implementation may have to undergo to the changes which is going to result to the extra budget. Now see, if suppose any applications which we have developed and only the little bit changes are there within that application, but still that particular application and customer is want to be developed with the advanced technologies, then what will be get happen, we need to that organization is particularly undergo to the changes, though that application is ready with them. Why? Because with the little bit changes it is ready for the customer use, but still the customer what they are expecting that it should be get done with the advanced technologies. So the extra budget is also considered for that. So according to that we can see the business acceptance testing, whether that particular application or whether that particular product is profitable to organization or not. See, if an organization is trying to invest the cost with respect to the technologies, with respect to the training on the customers, training on the employees, those who are working on that. So after investing many more cost on them, what they are going to expect, that a software quality should be good over there and it should be get accepted as readily by the customers, they are going to be used very readily by them. So then and then only it is, we can say that it is as per the customers requirement. So it is considered as the business acceptance testing. So this is also the one of the type of the acceptance testing. So the firstly we have discussed with the user acceptance testing. Now it is the second type, that is nothing but the business acceptance testing. So in the next sessions we are going to see the next remaining types of the acceptance testing. Till that, thank you.